Hello and welcome to Willowfields Campsite. On this episode, the digger breaks down, the bobcat breaks down, me and Johnny have an argument, and I get over 30,000 views on TikTok. So someone has started to ruin the fence. It is a fair few years old, and someone loves scratching the bum on it. So we're going to have to replace that. So first we take the old one down. Now the fence is in, we need to level this.
Need a padlock on the gate, tra-la-la-la-la. Right, let's get this one out then. Been a while since I've had it running. Been sat in here since December, I think. Speedy Gonzalez.
Here's the finished fence. And we've got a lovely campsite, but unfortunately not everyone treats it with a great deal of respect. How to get banned from the campsite. Number 1. Have massive fire in middle of pitch with no protection. Throw bricks in hedge. Throw rest of fire over hedge. And don't forget to go to our events page on our website. We've got a vintage vehicle event at the end of May and a self-build camper van at the end of July, so don't miss out.